It's time for an update. It's time to share with my audience of the Internet Education 101 YouTube channel what I've been working on, the skills I continue to develop, the artificial intelligence that I'm using to produce quality work at a much faster pace, how I've turned just me, one person, into producing the work of at least 3 people. And this video is not about perfection. I'm not concerned about the background noise outside. I'm here to inform you that I haven't given up, that because I gave it that last push, I was frustrated, I was getting angry again, I was getting pissed off, and it's because I just could not continue going down the path of giving all my free time and taking all of the time that I have to put into branching out my websites online, because the isolation to produce one piece of work was just too time consuming, and I started to lose it. And then I sat down for the past few weeks and I did the research, took action to practice, to perfect new skills that can turn me into 3 or maybe 4 and maybe in the future 5 people instead of 1. So if you are serious about building an online presence, whether it be blogging or websites, promoting services that you offer, I feel the information that I'm going to share with you right now will be very valuable. There are so many artificial intelligent platforms out there that we can utilize for free right now. So I'm just going to show you 2 that I've been working with. And because of the new skills and understanding that I've gained in the past few weeks, today I was able to bang out a blog post in under 30 minutes, promoting my own work. And before I headed out to earn money, something had to give, and I feel artificial intelligence for my situation is the answer that I was looking for, because it's time for me to get a lot of time back from all the years of isolating myself and working for free. So here we go. Before I even do that, because I always forget at the end, 99.9% of the time I forget, please, if you appreciate the content that I'm producing to share with you, so to help you learn what I'm doing to produce work faster, please give a like, share this if you want, comment if you like, but I appreciate you watching. And likes alone make such a huge difference. Here we go. This is a screen recording on my laptop. I am working on 2 websites, myincomejob.com and storebuy.shop. It's time to, I'm keeping the format of blogging, which lead to web pages. I have the best of both worlds on these websites, and they are WordPress websites. I'm going to show you how I'm using artificial intelligence to bang out content for me, but then I'm going to show you how I tweak the content. Maybe not the whole process, but you'll understand, because I'm very focused on creating unique content, but using this artificial intelligence is going to help me bang out blog post after blog post, create new URLs, and then I manually submit them into the search engines. And I've already seen an increase to more revenue earned daily from my website's ads. So here we go. If you're here, you understand what I'm talking about. If you're choosing to watch this video, you understand. I'll start off with this. Yesterday, I uploaded a video, this one right here, delivered mid-sized food deliveries. And what I want to do is I want to create a blog post speaking about that video that I uploaded yesterday, and I want to get it up there. So what I want to do is I already have this opened. It's chat.openai.com, one of the many artificial intelligence platforms out there that you can utilize to help you produce work a hell of a lot faster. Produce the work of 5 people instead of 1. My question on the bottom, I write, please write a 350-word article describing how a person can deliver for the company delivered to earn income. I want this to produce a few paragraphs for me. So here we go. I'm going to click it, and you're going to see the first results that I receive. I waited too long. I'll just fix this. This is no big deal. This is good to show you. I'll refresh it. We'll do it again. Oh, new chat. Hit new chat. Let me do it again. Enter. And it will. Delivered is a company that provides an on-demand delivery service to individuals and businesses. It's not always on demand, just so you know that, guys. Now, this is good. You might think she's cheating. No, I'm not, because I'm going to tweak this content. And right off the bat, the first sentence, it's not an only on-demand delivery service. It's more of companies can order the day before, and the company delivered reaches out to drivers like myself, 24 hours notice. Can you pick up and deliver this mid-sized catering order to a company? Yes, I can. Many of these jobs I accept the day before, but you see how it's producing the content for me? And now when it finishes, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. And I will take the time to read this, and I'm going to tweak it, but I just need it to finish. It's good to show you. Look at this. Look at this. It's incredible. In conclusion, delivering for delivered is a great way to earn money. Okay, you see the content that it created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy it. I place it in the freebie version of Grammarly. And why am I doing this? Because after using this for a few weeks and testing it out and see what it can produce, what this means after you use it for a while, this is a wordy, these are wordy paragraph sentences. You got to tweak it. You got to mess around. I'm going to rewrite some words, add some words, remove some words, but I'm going to tweak it. But the main part of it has been created for me, because the answers, I'm giving it a prompt, but the answers that are populating are from people like me. People get jobs, they get paid to produce the content for this this chat.openai artificial intelligence content producing platform, program, software. And there's many of them out there. But what it is, because I did a lot of research, I wanted to know, well, where are they getting their answers from? From people like us. People get paid to provide content, and they have full use of it. People earn money that way. So what I like about Grammarly is I'm very familiar with the company Delivered, and it's because I'm someone in the field working it, and I also understand how the work is remotely or on contact with me when I'm out in the field working it. I upload videos about it. Well, I want to share it on my blog post to help increase my daily passive income that I earn online from the ads, from the YouTube videos or the YouTube shorts, from my content, from my referral links. But now this content isn't perfect. I like to get a score of 95 and above. I'm going to reword a few things already because it's not an on-demand only kind of platform. I know that because I do it. But I just wanted to show you, this is how I'm going to bang it out. Now check this out. Now I'm just going to show you one I did this morning in just under 30 minutes and what I added to the blog post, and I already submitted it to the search engines, and I did it under 30 minutes. I'm going to get my life back. I'm going to get time back, and I won't have to let the goals I set for myself of creating hundreds of dollars a day in passive online income go away, go to the waste side. I think that's the phrase. So here we go. I'm going to show you this. I want to keep your enthusiasm with me because it's incredible. Today I did a Coinbase Visa debit card blog post from this short right here, this one here that I uploaded last night using the YouTube Short app. That's another thing I had to learn. Let's go back. I'm going to click it. And it brings you to a whole new URL. I have an ad on top, which I like. I put that there. I use a plugin for that. And here's the content. And it is mainly content that was created from the OpenAI program, chatbot. Let's call it a chatbot. But what I did, I spared the 10 minutes to edit it, to tweak it to my liking, reworded some words, removed some words, and I that's how I did it. But I'm saving a tremendous amount of time. When it used to take me, I was on a roll, about 2 hours to produce quality content, write it all myself, and this is what I did. There's a lot more work involved. This is where this is going to save me a lot of time. Okay, you see how I made that bold here. You see how I spaced it. I gave it some uniform look. And then I go over here and here's my own video. Here's an image that's linked to my YouTube channel, one of my YouTube channels. And then I write, thank you for visiting My Income Job. That's an inbound link. I have an image linked to a link. This is over 300 word article. That's, you should write at least 300 words. That's why I do that. I have some inbound links. I have outbound links. I have an image. I have a video. I have another ad on the bottom. You can leave a comment. Now let me show you this. Why show you this? I'm going to go to the edit section to the one I did today. And it's because restore the backup. Yeah, I'm going to do that in front of you. Yeah, I restored the backup. The video does show, guys. As you can see, it's here. It's up and running. Just so you know that. I use Yoast, the freebie version for now. And it's taught me how to make my blog post or web pages, whatever you want to call them, URLs, more attractive to search engines. I have outbound links. I have images. They say, good job, good job. Internal links. You have enough internal links. I have one to my main domain. Text length. The text contains 386 words. Good job. SEO title with. And I also have, oh, they changed this. Why that's just good to show you. I guess I shouldn't have gone back. Oh. Well, I'll show you. This should be a heading. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to click this. I want a heading. That's supposed to be a heading. There you go. One of many headings. I'll leave that like that. And go back here. Let me refresh. Yeah, that's good. So then you can see those two artificial intelligence I use. Then I go to URL submission Bing Webmaster Tools, and I go to the Google Search Console tool, and I manually submit the newly created URL, blog post, web page to the search engine, so it'll expedite the process of it getting indexed into the major search engines. I have a lot of videos about that. I'll add a few links in the description below. I will show you everything that I do, but when I'm focused by myself and I need to produce a quality blog post that's promoting my own videos, promoting my own YouTube channels, promoting my own referral links, writing the content, creating everything, doing the inbound links, the tags, the categories in WordPress. I didn't even show that. Well, if I could do that under 30 minutes, and I could do that 3 times a day, to me, that's, we'll say 3 people instead of 1. And you know what? I'm going to say 5 people, because it was taking me on average 2 hours to produce content, write it from scratch, get it up on the WordPress website or the blog. It takes a lot of time. So I hope you appreciated the video. Stay tuned for much more shorter, precise videos speaking about artificial intelligence that I will continue to learn about and utilize to help branch out my website so I can start earning some significant money every day. My goal right now, I would love to earn $25 a day from my online income. That includes YouTube partnership program, and now I have Shorts. Shorts, you earn a revenue of the pool. The regular YouTube partnership program, Google AdSense ads, and the few apps I promote online. It's time to get that up. You know, it's time to earn a lot more. And it's only going to grow and expand and grow and expand and grow and expand. There's no cap. I don't want any cap. I'll see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye, everybody.